Tunisia, officially known as the Republic of Tunisia, is a country located in North Africa. It has a fascinating history, a rich cultural heritage, and numerous amazing attractions. Here's an overview of the history of Tunisia, its culture, and some of the amazing things to experience in the country. History. Tunisia's history dates back thousands of years. The region was inhabited by Berber tribes and witnessed the presence of Phoenicians, Romans, Vandals, Byzantines, Arabs, Ottomans, and French colonizers. Tunisia gained independence from France in 1956 and has since developed into a modern nation. Culture. Tunisian culture is a unique blend of Arab, Berber, and Mediterranean influences. The country's official language is Arabic, and Islam is the predominant religion. Tunisian cuisine is renowned for its flavors, with dishes like couscous, brick, tagines, and harissa being popular. Traditional music, such as malouf and mezoid, and folk dances like the famous sword dance, showcase the rich cultural heritage of Tunisia. Amazing things in Tunisia. 1. Carthage. Explore the ancient city of Carthage, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover the ruins of this once mighty Phoenician city, including the Punic ports, the Roman amphitheater, and the baths of Antoninus. 2. Tunis. Visit the capital city of Tunis, where history meets modernity. Explore the historic Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its narrow alleyways and vibrant souks. Don't miss the Bardo Museum, known for its impressive collection of Roman mosaics. 3. Sahara Desert. Experience the vastness of the Sahara Desert in southern Tunisia. Take a desert safari and ride a camel through the golden dunes, witness stunning sunsets and starry nights, and visit the desert oasis of Tozeur. 4. Sidi Bou Said. Discover the picturesque village of Sidi Bou Said, known for its charming blue and white architecture. Enjoy panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, stroll through the narrow cobblestone streets, and visit art galleries and traditional craft shops. 5. Douga. Explore the ancient Roman city of Douga, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at the remarkably preserved ruins, including the theater, temples, and well-preserved Roman houses. 6. Kairouan. Visit the holy city of Kairouan, one of the holiest sites in Islam, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the Great Mosque of Kairouan, visit the Medina and its traditional crafts, and admire the impressive Aghlabid basins. 7. Mediterranean beaches. Tunisia offers beautiful beaches along its Mediterranean coastline. Relax on the white sandy beaches, swim in the crystal-clear waters, and enjoy water sports like snorkeling and windsurfing. 8. Matmata. Journey to the unique underground dwellings in Matmata. Explore the troglodyte houses, which are traditional underground homes carved into the earth, and learn about the local Berber culture. Tunisia's history, diverse culture, and stunning attractions make it a captivating destination for travelers. Whether exploring ancient ruins, immersing oneself in vibrant markets, or experiencing the beauty of the desert, Tunisia offers a blend of history, culture, and natural wonders to discover. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.